Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Morning class.
Morning, Miss.
Before we study, let's pray together. Pray, begin. Finish. Okay. Who is absent today?
Bila, Miss.
Okay.
Aci,
Nila.
Miss. Aci. Sulia, Hajar, Santi, Saada.
Okay. Thank you. Now, good morning, class.
Morning, Miss.
Okay. In the previous unit, we learned about who is remember about the last materi. Materi terakhir kita apa? Ingat, Yuni? Lupa. Terakhir kali kita belajar tentang announcement text. Okay. Now, today we are gonna learn about what an experience. Let's open your book about what is an experience.
Berapa, Miss?
Halaman barisnya. Buka buku halaman 101, page 101. Sudah ketemu halamannya?
Sudah,
Nadine?
Miss.
Oke. Miss buka bukunya lewat ini ya, laptop ya. First, what can you tell about the pictures? What can you tell about the pictures? Oke, tadi ada yang lihat namanya tadi gambarnya?
Pantai, Miss.
Ada pantai, terus
Poster.
poster. Di sana juga ada gambar orang juga kan? Nah, orang lagi berlibur. Oke, sekarang coba lihat bagian keduanya, section 2 yang viewing. Yang bawahnya, halaman 102. Oke, let's read the comic strips below. I'd like some of you to act out the dialogue. Miss mau minta satu orang perwakilan buat membacakan dialog itu sama Miss. Siapa? Ada yang mau volunteer? Mau maju ke depan satu orang bantu Miss? Atau Miss tunjuk?
Tunjuk aja, Miss.
Tolong ini.
Miss. Yang mana, Miss? Hai Galang, I heard that you went to Karimun Jawa.
Well, yeah, I went there last month.
Wow, it must have been fun, tell me.
I won a poster competition held by the tourism department. The prize was a trip to Karimun Jawa.
Congratulations, Galang.
Thanks, I tried my best.
Did you take pictures? Can I see them?
Sure, I've just posted them on social media here. Oke, terima kasih ya Yuni.
Ya, Miss.
Nah, dari dialog tadi, Yuni paham nggak tentang apa yang dibicarakan sama si perempuan tadi sama Galang?
Galang pergi ke Karimun Jawa, Miss.
Ya, kalau Adin, abis itu kenapa lagi dia tuh? Kenapa alasan si Galang bisa ke Karimun Jawa di situ? Apa kata Galang?
Dia menang lomba poster, Miss.
Oke, nah. Terus kok si yang cewek tadi kok tahu kak si Galang dia pergi ke Karimun Jawa ini?
Dia lihat postingan Galang, Miss, di Instagram.
Ya benar. Nah, now take a look at the pictures of Galang enjoying his holiday. In page 104, want you to take a look at the photos and read the captions below them. Nah, Miss mau kalian coba lihat postingannya. Anggap ini tuh yang di buku itu Instagram yang punyanya si Galang tadi. Terus baca tulisan caption, tulisan di bawahnya namanya caption di masing-masing gambar yang diposting oleh Galang tadi. Coba Dinda baca yang postingan yang pertama.
Enjoying the sunset.
Oke, lanjut satu lagi.
Me enjoying the sea.
Yuni, yang terakhir.
What an experience. This was my first experience going to Kalimanjaro. I went there with itu serius ya, Mak? Dia nggak serius. Ulang nggak, Tena?
Boleh.
What an experience. It was my first experience going to Kalimanjaro. I went there with other winners from different schools. From April. Itu apa, Miss? 21 bahasa Inggris itu 21st to April 22nd. We enjoyed the sunset and we went snorkeling and swimming with sharks. Although it was a short holiday, we enjoyed ourselves. It was really fun.
Okay, thank you Yuni and Dinda. There's also a short text about Galang experience, right? In the postingan
Yes, ma'am.
ada sedikit cerita yang diceritakan oleh si Galang tadi kan di postingannya. Kemudian Miss minta kalian coba jawab pertanyaan ini atau kita jawab bersama saja. Oke, kita jawab sama-sama ya. Dulu deh, aku masih jawabannya.
3.
Okay, after we did about posting Galang before, now Miss wants you to answer the question. Let's answer it together. Pertanyaan yang pertama, what was the event? Nah, di situ udah ada jawabannya ya. The event is a trip to Kalimanjaro. Number 2, who went there? Siapa yang pergi ke sana?
Galang dan pemenang lainnya.
Oke, Galang and other winners. Yang selanjutnya, when did it happen? Kapan terjadinya? Kapan dia perginya?
April
21st to
April
22nd. Oke, benar. Yang keempat, where did the writer go? Kapan penulis? Iya, benar. Selanjutnya ada pertanyaan kelima, why did he go there? Why? Kenapa dia pergi ke sana?
Karena dia menang lomba.
Benar, he won a competition. What did the writer do there? Apa waktu dia pergi ke sana? Apa yang dilakukan oleh penulisnya?
Berenang dengan hiu.
He enjoyed the sunset. Nah, lihat di postingannya yang terakhir. He enjoyed the sunset and went snorkeling and swimming. Snorkeling apa weh? Iya weh.
Swimming.
Tidak menyelam.
Oh,
Bagi orang bagian 1, 2, 3.
Snorkeling itu apa, Miss?
Snorkeling itu dia menyelam ya. And swimming itu dia.
Bedanya apa, Miss, sama swimming?
Swimming itu dia cuma sekedar berenang. Kalian tahu berenang kan?
Oh, Miss.
Oke. Nah, kalau snorkeling itu dia harus memakai pakaian khusus seperti ada helmnya, ada oksigen yang harus dibawa karena dia menyelam ke dalam lautan ya.
Yes.
Oke, pertanyaan yang terakhir, how did the writer feel? Apa perasaan yang dirasakan setelah dia mengalami ini?
happy.
Oke, benar. He felt happy. Lanjut ke section yang ketiga, section reading. Mari, cek dulu deh. Gampang.
3.
Okay, before we read the text, in page 107, I'd like you to pay attention to the words and phrases in the word box. Ada kan di situ word box tertera di halaman 106. I'd like you to repeat after me. Okay. Depart.
Depart.
Depart. Departed.
Departed.
Artinya keberangkatan atau berangkat ya. Di situ udah ada tulisannya. Selanjutnya ada pack.
Pack.
Bentuk kata masa lalunya ada tambahan id-nya ya. Tapi sama cara bacanya sama pack.
Pack.
Selanjutnya ada excited.
Excited.
Yaitu bersemangat, senang atau gembira.
Gembira.
North.
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 Oke. Itu artinya utara. Selanjutnya ada thrilling.
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 Coba bunyikan agak halus antara S dengan T. Thrilling.
Thrilling.
Oke, itu artinya mendebarkan atau menggembirakan. Selanjutnya ada to spend more time.
To spend more time.
Itu artinya memiliki atau menghabiskan waktu lebih banyak. Selanjutnya ada coral reefs.
Coral reef.
Ulangi, Dinda.
Coral reef.
Oke, benar. Artinya terumbu karang. Selanjutnya ada reasonable price.
Reasonable price.
Oke, reasonable price artinya harga yang wajar. Dan yang terakhir adalah it takes longer.
It takes longer.
Memerlukan waktu yang lebih lama. Oke, now let's read the complete version of the text and try answer the question that follow. Nah, sekarang coba kita baca teks ini. Miss bacakan, tolong kalian simak ya. Nanti Miss tunjuk. Yang nggak nyimak nanti maju ke depan. What an experience! This was my first experience going to Karimun Jawa. It was so fun. I was so excited days before the trip. I went there with other winners from different schools. We had the holiday last month from April 21st to April 22nd. We went there by ferry. Karimun Jawa is a group of islands located north of Java, around 83 kilometers from Jepara. There are two options if you want to get there. The first one is using a ferry, which costs 81,000 rupiah. It takes 1 hour 40 minutes. The other option is using a car ferry, which is cheaper, only 72,000 rupiah. However, it takes longer to get there, around 6 hours. The committee provided us the first option because it took less time. We departed from Jepara in the morning, so we could spend more time in the afternoon exploring the island. Once we got there, we were taken straight to the hotel where we had lunch. The next thing to do was enjoying the sunset Bukit Love Karimun Jawa. It was amazing. As soon as the sky got darker, we went back to the hotel. We had dinner before we continued our activity. We explored the hotel premises. The next day, we did other activities. We went snorkeling after we finished our breakfast. We had scenes to have our pictures taken with beautiful fish and coral reefs there. I also spent time swimming with sharks. It was both exciting and thrilling. We went back to the hotel once we finished all the activities. We packed before we left the islands. Although it was a short holiday, we enjoyed ourselves. It was really fun. Oke, kalian udah simak? Kalian udah tahu artinya? Arti utamanya itu yang ada tadi di dalam word box ya. Oke, kita jawab bersama-sama pertanyaannya. Ini menjawab true or false ya. Menjawab benar atau salah dari teks yang dibacakan tadi. Okay, the next section is about language focus. When we tell a story, we may need to connect two ideas or events. To do this, we use connectors. In this section, we are going to learn about connectors. Before that, connectors is the word are words or phrases used to connect two ideas or events, such as once, as soon as, before and after. Yang pertama ada once. Once itu berupa konjungsi yang menunjukkan waktu, kondisional, penyebab, dan frekuensi. Dari kata once ini, contohnya adalah once you finish your work, you can go home. Dalam fungsi kondisionalnya bisa contohnya once you pay the bill, we can leave the restaurant. Dari kondisional contohnya ini contoh dari connector once dalam penunjukan waktu. Nah, di sini bisa dilihat dari kata once you finish your work, you can go home. Jadi mana kita bisa sebenarnya kalau kamu udah menyelesaikan pekerjaanmu, nah dari kata selesai itu bisa menunjukkan kata waktu. Selanjutnya ada SMS. Itu digunakan untuk menyatukan bahwa sesuatu terjadi segera setelah kondisi tertentu terpenuhi. Contohnya Contohnya yaitu I will call you as soon as I arrive at the airport. Kejadian yang pertama yaitu I will call you. Yang kedua I arrive at the airport. Jadi maksudnya adalah ketika kejadian yang I arrive at the airport, ketika dia sudah sampai di bandara, dia akan langsung segera menelponmu. Nah, setelah ini digunakan ketika kejadian yang ini sudah selesai, baru melakukan kegiatan yang kedua. Baiklah, mungkin before dan after coba kalian cari sendiri di internet juga banyak. Di pertemuan selanjutnya misalkan tanya kembali. Oke, karena mungkin tadi teks yang Miss baca tadi juga panjang, kita sudah kehabisan waktu. Miss minta Ananda untuk mengerjakan soal. Itu soalnya menjawab benar atau salah. Yang ditanyakan itu tergantung dari teks yang Miss bacakan tadi ya. Oke, Miss harap pelajaran kali ini bisa menambah wawasan kalian. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.